Hi there. So guys, in this video we're just going to continue from where we've left. So again, the npm install, and now I'm just going to install we've installed the React, but I'm just going to install the React DOM, and let's just make it save line break, and now it's going to save it in the same folder, the folder name. It's getting saved. Yeah. Now after installing the React DOM, we just need to go to the next one. Now the time is to install the plugins. So npm install Babel core and line break. Now it's going to install the Babel core in a folder, and it's getting installed. Fetching data in etc. Okay, it's going cool. Just make it done. Okay, done. Now the next thing I'm just going to do is the npm install Babel loader and line break again. And now the next one will be the npm install Babel preset React. Absolutely, this one is a very important element, very important plugin we just needed. It's gonna download it in a minute, in a little while. You can see that. Okay, done. Now again, the npm install Babel preset. I'm gonna install the ES 2015 and line break. Oh, sorry, I just put it the wrong one. By the way, it's yeah, I know that. Now make it done. Okay, it's done now. Absolutely. Why the person was not working perfectly? Because there you can see that the error. Now there are a few files we just need to create inside the React app. I'm just going inside there and I'm just opening the notepad. So the files I'm just gonna make is number one will be the index.html. Okay, now I'm just gonna make another one too. Just going there and just saving it. The file name will be .jsx. Okay, this one will be the important file. I'm just gonna guide you what is the JSX, and then let's lecture. And the third one I'm just gonna make is removing the file name and just putting the kind of real name, main.js. Line break, save it again. Now this one is a webpack.config.js. Oh, sorry, cut this off, save it. Now paste it here because I just want to save it the file name as it is, the webpack.config.js, and save it. Now all these files are important. This one will be the front end, and this one will actually be the back end, and this one is the JS file, and this one will be the configuration file for the webpacks. So I'm just going to make the simple Enix file for now. We'll be putting the advanced techniques in it. Or I think let's just leave this thing means the coding in the next class. So stay tuned and goodbye.